It was 2 nights of sweet reggae music in Ochi, and Sanjay was there for the experience.
2 nights of roots reggae is Rebel Salute 2023.
Look how long they brought us down here, kept us in bondage right through these years.
This is our part, we have the confess to each and every woman, man, to respect. The two with the suffering, the greatest love with the fanciness. Come up and see them and them to the low.
This are the herb curb, a Rebel Salute.
Yeah, some little boy you talk about nonsense. Tell them bad man feel bright like S-U-N. No for them a boss gun and can spell G-U-N.
Love the reception from the crowd. You know, them really love reggae music here in Jamaica, so don't get it twisted. But me as somebody when my thoughts will start to riot face, so me leave alone, me leave my club, squarely Portland, firing. It was really great, and for my first time experience on Rebel Salute, I did my outstanding best.
We're here to make it feel alright. It's alright, it's alright. It is very, very quiet and cheery. Very, very quiet and cheery.
It's the Rebel himself.
Yes,
First of all, congratulations. How much years you are going now?
29. 29 straight and strong.
No, for the artists that were performing for your show, not even 29 years
No,
old.
for the artists, them are 25 and 24. The Rebel Salute older than them.
One drop, no play a fool fi catch rights, me no idiot. Can't fool me with the media. Them just chat about a thing to get feedback, and then me chat it as it is good to get realer.
It's a major accomplishment this. First of all,
Right now we're older than Joshy.
It's a fact.
Yeah.
It's a major accomplishment. How does it feel to achieve 29 years, such a huge milestone?
Well, I never think about it, you know. I just get up and do it continuously. And every year I know that people are asking for it and people are saying, when is the next Rebel Salute? And we just have to continuously do it till it running at 29 years.
Girl, you know what to say at the end of the day. You're not attending my partner.
Wishing I could do the kind of things you do. Girl, but would I be without you?
Who you look forward to tonight the most?
I want to see Stone Boy, I never see him perform yet. I look for Sabini, long time I don't see him perform. I am and Capleton. As a matter of fact, everybody on the show because this is Rebel Salute. So I come to see the Rebel and to salute them.
People say that, you know, them born for this, but I am humbled to be a part of the family of music.
Sometimes never touch nobody to go straight to you. Imagine how sorry you are remaking you.
Stone Boy in Jamaica, what go on with that?
There, star.
We know say your place, you know. First time performing on Rebel Salute?
Definitely.
What was the experience like for you?
You smell a lot of joy, man. You know it's a Rebel Salute, you know. You mean, man?
Yeah.
Top of the top of the top.
29 years, right?
Top of the top of the top. I was only 5 years old when the first one did keep. So at the 29th I'm there, we give thanks to God.
You planning something big for the 30th?
I have to.
You want me have to go stand to make me man. You don't know if you know better to go. Woman, me know the position go.
I will pay money for execute this now.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, whole heap. And me not have it. No matter how it goes, I have to keep it.
What if I did ask her? She find out it. She just have no like
I love getting Stevie Wonder. I love getting to come sing reggae. Like all him songs, him come sing reggae.
We speak it into being for the 30th now.
We speak it into being, man. The law of attraction can't hold me.
Rebel Salute 2023 was a big success. Congratulations on 29 years and more.
Thanks, Sanjizzle. Now on to the party scene. Let's see what's intense recommended, especially leading up to Valentine's Day. So Miriam is here with us, and she's going to tell us about the Lovers and Friends concert. Hi, Miriam. How are you?
Hi, I am great.
It's all about the Lovers and Friends concert. When will this be, and where is it going to be?
It is going to be next week, Saturday, February 18th at Plantation Cove, Priory St. Anne.
Okay. In terms of the lineup, I see you have some big hitters who will be hitting the stage. Tell us who we can expect to see.
Okay, we can expect to see Rotimi, Mr. Power himself. Of course, there's a meeting in my bed. There'll be a meeting at Plantation Cove.
Yes.
There'll be Bobby Valentino, Maya, Ghost, Sizzler, Elaine, Christopher Martin, and of course Jay Ritten and Alex Rebel Marley.
Okay, so it seems like we have a lot of it seems to have a lot of lovers rock. It seems, you know, we have a nice friend vibes as well. What can persons look forward to when they come out?
Great excitement. And you know, this Valentine's Day, Tuesday, February 14th, is me and Chris Martin's birthday.
Okay.
Yes. And Lovers and Friends will be doing something amazing for everybody in Jamaica. We are giving us our birthday, and even though the show is coming up, we're giving Jamaica something extremely special. And this, we're giving them a discount on tickets on the 14th. It's for the 14th only though. Okay. So they have to, and it's only at the outlets, not online. So you have to make it to the outlets. On the 14th, tickets will be $10,000 for general, Jamaican dollars, because we have the flyers in US. But for the 14th, it's for Jamaican people. Okay. $10,000 for general, $20,000 for VIP, and VIP is food and drink inclusive. So that's our gift to Jamaica for Valentine's Day.
Hopefully, you can take that special someone to one of those parties. And of course, party hard, but drink responsibly. Up next, Schoolers Dance Clash and the Intense 5. We soon forward.
Bang! Yo, Intense! You don't know, Stoneboy from Ghana representing. Beam! Look out for the things, mad settings. You don't know, Ghana to Jamaica. We outside.